Hi, we're back at Toverland to celebrate Halloween.
Hi, my name is Jolanda.
And I'm Joost from Dutch Theme Park Network. We show you everything that's new during Halloween nights at Toverland. So let's dive in.
Let's dive in. Toverland during the day is completely different than Toverland during the night. During the day it's a very fun, child-friendly event with lots of decorations, as you can see, 3 shows.
Two walkthroughs.
Yes, 2 walkthroughs and a special circus area, which is during the day very fun. And at night it gets very scary.
The Halloween night starts at 6 p.m. with a show at Port Laguna and a little parade throughout the park. So we'll check that out as well, but we'll start at the Halloween days. It's 6:15 p.m. and the Halloween nights just started. And well, what have we done this afternoon, Jolanda?
Well, the haunted houses are open earlier, so we started with Now You're Mine, one of the haunted houses, one of the 5 haunted houses. And after that we had a bit of dinner at the food court they have especially for Halloween. And then there was a Halloween parade, which was very good.
But maybe first tell something about Now You're Mine, because Now You're Mine is one of the 5 haunted houses, as you said. And that is the newest one of them all.
It opened last year. And last year they promised it would be the most scary house.
But it wasn't. It was just a beautiful house. It was beautiful for sure. But they changed a lot this year. What do you think of it now?
Now it's really scary. We had a group that joined us because you go in with 6. And that group didn't dare to go on, so that's saying something. So we were with 12. But it was fine. And I have some hearing damage because of the screaming, so it was very scary, but a lot of fun.
And you have to pay an additional charge for these houses. They cost between €5 and €12.50.
Yes,
but
Now Your Mine is €12.50, so that's the most expensive one.
And you can also buy a fair pass, and the fair pass gives you access to all the houses once with limited waiting.
Yes, for now we waited about half an hour for this house.
Yes. But if you had a fair pass, you would wait for approximately 2-3 minutes.
Yep.
And you also have exclusive viewing area for the parade if you have a fair pass.
Yes, we didn't choose that one because last year we did all the houses. So now we are doing just the highlights.
And you said, I remember them all very, very well. The houses are impressive. They are really good. But a fair pass costs €54.50, and well, it's not worth that money if you know the houses.
For us, but if you've never been here, then please do it, because it's good value for your money if you've never been here. They do sell out, so this night they sold out completely, and there are some nights in the future that already sold out.
So if you are planning to come, buy your fair pass as soon as possible to make sure you can do all the haunted houses. New this year is the opening, because until last year there was an opening in Port Laguna and it was really crowded. And they've changed that as well this year.
Oh, there's still the opening, but they now follow it with the parade. So if you want to see the opening, you have to be there like at 5, and it starts at 6, I believe.
Yep.
So you need the time because it's so crowded still. But now they've got the parade, and the parade route is very okay. So you can just join 10 minutes before the parade starts.
were standing at the end of the road in Wunderwald, and we had a really great, impressive view. This is really an improvement, and it gives me a point for our prediction video this year.
Yep.
But
That's coming up soon.
and not only are there several scare zones at night, there's also some
Special snacks.
and special beers, because Toverland brews their own beer, and they have a special Halloween beer, and they have these special pumpkin spice cookies.
They're really good, but there are a lot of pumpkin spice everywhere. So snacks, don't bring your own food here. Food is very good.
Let's discover the scare zones and all other things that happened at night at Toverland. We'll take you with us. Let's go! We're almost at the end of the night. We are at Scare Zone Cirque.
One of the 5 scare zones we have here at Toverland. And one of my favorites is Cirque.
What is your most favorite scare zone?
My favorite is De la Muertas.
Fiesta de la
I'm
Muertas.
pronouncing it with a Mexican themed. It's so beautiful. I love that one.
And I think I love Destroy the best. That's the Roman part near the wooden roller coaster Troy with all the zombie soldiers.
But also the 5th one is very good. Morgana area is very good, but also the Creatures of the Sea, where
Shadows of the Seas.
I got very wet, but that's a cool new element they added. Yeah, it's fun. It's a great event.
I think this is still one of the best places to celebrate Halloween in the Netherlands.
Yeah, absolutely.
Next to all the scare zones and all the haunted houses, there's also a fireworks show at the end of the day. I love this one. We also did Dollhouse. What did you think of that haunted house?
I love the doll theme. It's so creepy from its own, like the Annabelle dolls, and they really did inspire themselves with those creepy kind of dolls that are very quiet and you don't know which one is the actor. Yeah, I love that. It's a cheapest house, but I think it's one of the best houses.
I totally agree. You can celebrate Halloween in Toverland during the weekends up till the 9th of November, and during weekdays in the fall holiday, that's from the 21st of October onward. So I'm quite sure we'll get back here. But for now we say thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. See ya!